welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So, as you can see from the description below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the GemCrew box. Now, this subscription, I believe, is fairly new. They do have many levels, so before we get into actually unboxing, I'm going to tell you about this subscription. So, it is a jewelry subscription, and they have 4 different levels. They have their Trinket level, which starts at $9.99 a month, where you receive 1 fashion piece. They have their Glitz level, which is $14.99 a month, and you receive 2 fashion pieces. Then they have their silver, which is $39.99, where you receive 1 to 2 pieces of 0.925 sterling silver jewelry. And then they have their gold, which is $279.99, but you do receive 1 piece of 14 karat gold jewelry. Now it can be white gold, rose gold, or regular gold, and it is supposed to have a value of $500 or more. Now, they sent me the silver box, so the $39.99 with the 1 to 2 pieces of the 0.925 sterling silver jewelry. And again, that is $39.95. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, again, because they do have the subscription starting with the Trinket box at $9.99 for 1 fashion piece, and then $14.99 for 2 fashion pieces. So it is affordable all around. They do obviously have that gold, which is a much higher level. But let's go ahead and see what GemCrew is all about. So this is the June 2019 silver box from GemCrew. So this is how it comes when you open it. I see some just orange tissue paper. All right, so we get out of the orange tissue paper, and then we have what looks like 2 little GemCrew bags here. And the June silver level box. And then, okay. And then it says, thank you, Nikki. Thank you, GemCrew, for sending this to me for review. I do appreciate it. So let's take a look here. Now, they had told me they were going to give me a code for 20% off, so I will make sure to put that down below. I looked in my email and I did not see it, so I will reach out to them, and if it is not in the description, I will pin a comment to the comment section with the coupon code to save you 20% off if you'd like to sign up. And as far as I know, that will work on any level subscription, even the Trinket that is $9.99. So let's see what we got. So we will start with this item right here. Oh, okay. This is gorgeous. This is a necklace with a pearl. Sterling silver fresh water pearl floating pendant. So retail value of $34.99. You guys, that is gorgeous. I love that it is so simple but elegant and gorgeous. That is beautiful. So you can see here about the length of the necklace. So this is probably like an 18-inch chain. Does have an extender. But again, that is absolutely beautiful. And again, valued at $34.99. So we have one more item. I like how each item comes in its own little bag, and is presented very well. So this is a sterling silver rhodum plated cubic zirconia bracelet. The retail value is $24.99. So you can kind of see here the cubic zirconia, the sparkle. Let's take it out. Okay, so yeah, you can see it better this way. Right there, you can kind of see the sparkle a little bit better. So we have that bracelet. Make sure. Okay. So yeah, that is gorgeous. So again, this is the June silver level box. This is $39.99. We got the beautiful sterling silver cubic zirconia bracelet that does have the retail value of $24.99. And then this gorgeous, I think this is gorgeous, sterling silver freshwater pearl floating pendant. This is a retail value of $34.99. So this right here is almost the cost of the box. So you do definitely get more than what you're paying for. And again, I just think this is so gorgeous. So again, this was the GemCrew. Thank you so much again for sending this to me for review. I do appreciate it. Again, just to kind of go over and recap, they do have the 4 different subscription levels. The Trinket for $9.99 where you receive 1 fashion item. The Glitz that is $14.99 where you receive 2 fashion items. The Silver where you receive 1 to 2 sterling silver, then 0.925 sterling silver jewelry pieces. And then they do have their Gold for $279.99 where you can receive 1 jewelry item in 14 karat white gold, rose gold, or regular yellow gold valued at $500 or more. So I will, like I said, put a link down below if you'd like to check out GemCrew. They do definitely have some affordable subscriptions as well as some extra splurge-worthy subscriptions if you would choose to do so. So check them out. I definitely think both of these pieces are gorgeous. The necklace is beautiful. And like I said, they said they were going to give me a code for 20% off to offer you guys. So I will make sure to pin that in the comments down below. So if you do like what you see when you go to their website, definitely come back, check out and look for that promo code so you definitely can get that 20% off, because I don't know about you guys, but I love saving money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. Now, I'm going to show you guys one thing really quick. This bad boy came in today. So if you are still watching, because I know this video we're 8 minutes in, so it's not too long, but if you are still watching, just go ahead and put like a star emoji. It doesn't matter, you know, what color or what type of star, just some sort of star emoji. And let me know you're still here, you're still watching. I just like to know who actually watches like all of my video. But yep, so the 3,000 subscriber giveaway is coming up. This bad boy came in today. I'm super excited. We have so many other items. I did order the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette because I had the voting on my community tab go through Saturday and Saturday evening. When I looked at that time, the Prism won by 1%. So I went ahead and ordered it. And of course now Prism is not winning. I believe Soft Glam is winning. But at the time that I ordered, when it was done, Prism was winning, so that you have that palette in there as well. So if you are not subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, because you don't want to miss out on that giveaway or any future giveaway that we will have. Plus our live streams are fun, all kinds of unboxings. So I am waiting on 2 more products for the giveaway. I was looking on Amazon last night and I was like, oh, I need these for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So I keep adding stuff. So I apologize for the delay. Hopefully my plan is to have the video up by July 1st. So that is my plan. So look for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway video coming July 1st, fingers crossed, as long as those products do come in. But it just means more goodies for you guys. So, all right, I have babbled enough. I do apologize. If you're still here, I do appreciate it. Again, don't forget, give the video a thumbs up. It helps me out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.